Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video tutorial, I will demonstrate how to create links that direct learners to key components of the course, as well as frequently used external resources, ensuring they can easily locate and access everything they need with just a click. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Let's dive in and make your course navigation look exactly how you envision it. I've already created custom links in the left navigation of my sample course to demonstrate how we can implement this in practice. There are 5 module links, each allowing learners to access the module homepages with just one click. And the 6th link directs learners to the Indiana University Library Catalog page, where they can search for resources in the library database. Let's click on the Welcome module link to see how it works. It takes me directly to the Welcome home. Even better, the left navigation remains visible, making it easy to jump back and forth between the modules. Now let's click on the IU Library Catalog link. It opens the IU Library Catalog page as an embedded page, but this setting can be adjusted so that it opens in a new tab if preferred. In this tutorial, we will recreate this format together, allowing you to see how it enhances navigation in your Canvas course. You will be able to visualize the final result as we work through each step. Now let me remove the existing links so we can recreate them all together. To start creating the first link, click on Modules in the left navigation and expand the Welcome module. Next, right-click on Welcome Home and select Copy Link Address. After that, go to Settings in the course navigation and choose the Apps tab. In the Filter by Name search box, type Redirect and select the Redirect tool, and then click the Add App button. In the pop-up window, enter Welcome module in the name text box and paste the pre-copied link into the URL redirect text box. Uncheck the Open in a New tab checkbox and check the Show in Course Navigation checkbox. Finally, click the Add button at the bottom right of the pop-up. To add module number 1 to the left navigation, navigate back to Modules and expand module number 1. Right-click on Module 1 Home and choose Copy Link Address. Return to Settings and click the Apps tab again. Type Redirect in the search bar, select the Redirect tool and click the Add App button. Enter Module 1 in the name text box and paste the copied link into the URL redirect text box. Again, uncheck the Open in a New tab checkbox, but ensure that the Show in Course Navigation checkbox is checked. Repeat these steps for any additional modules or links you have. In my case, the last one is the IU Library Catalog link. I intentionally included a typo here to demonstrate how to edit it later. This time, along with Show in Course Navigation, I will check the Force Open in a New tab option. Finally, I will click the Add App button in the pop-up. We have now finished creating the links. Next, let's arrange them in the desired order in the left navigation. Click on the Navigation tab, right-click in a blank space, and choose Reload from the list. You can then drag and drop the left navigation links to reorder them as you wish. I will position my links right after announcements. Once done, scroll down and click the Save button. Now, let's fix the typo. Navigate to the Apps tab and click on the View App Configuration button. Locate the link you want to edit and click the gear icon on the far right. Choose Edit from the list. In the pop-up, correct the typo in the name text box and click the Submit button to apply the changes. Click on Home to see the updates in action. As you can see, our links have been successfully added to the left navigation. Let's quickly test them by clicking on each link. Welcome, Module number 1, Module number 2, Module number 3, Module number 4, and IU Library Catalog. As you notice, there is a button to open the library resource page in a new tab, since we checked the new tab checkbox when creating this link. If you click on this button, it opens the IU Library Catalog page in a new browser tab. Let's return to Canvas. If you would like to experience it as a student, first navigate to the home link in the course navigation and click on the View as Student button at the upper right corner of the screen. The links also be visible to students in the course. We have now reached the end of the tutorial. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Got any questions or need further help? Just drop a comment below and I'm here to help. Thanks for watching and see you next time.